like the face, then you have the problem. Not me. You have the problem.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for.
Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Diamond Lynn, aka Diamond the Don. If you don't know, now you know. So today I am back with a get ready with me video. This is this is actually the first get ready with me, like full get ready with me I ever did, and I love the way it turned out, y'all. I love the hair, love the bob, like come on. I want to thank LUVME for sponsoring this video. Y'all know I love me some LUVME, okay, and they love me, period. Hair, makeup, everything looks so good. I'm so happy with the turnout of this video. So yeah, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'm so proud of our growth. Like, I've really been growing. My channel's been growing, my TikTok's been growing. Like, I am so grateful that they started to see a girl. Okay, this is our year. Okay, period. Make sure you guys join the family if you guys want to see some more of my content. It helps me so much when you guys subscribe. It helps me and it pushes me to make more great content for y'all. Like, people really want to look at my stuff. That's crazy to me, and I'm just so happy and blessed that I can share this with y'all. So thank you so much. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just make sure you guys keep on watching. The link for this hair will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. So my hair is not braided down. As we always know, I never braid my hair down. But we're about to install this wig. Today's hair is from LUVME Hair. This is body wave hair. It is a 13x4 frontal. I did previously install this wig when we went live for Black Friday. So yeah, I've had the hair for a minute, but I only wore it that one time. And girl, it came colored like this. Like, LUVME's pre-colored wigs are my favorite because it's always a bomb color, like, and the hair hold up so well. But so yeah, I want to thank LUVME for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and start installing. So like I said, I'm not starting with a braid down. I'm just starting with my wig cap on, and I have a big enough forehead to where I could just glue it down. But I think I want to cut this hair. I kind of want to cut it into a bob, but at the same time, I feel like if I do a bob, it needs to be black. You feel me? And I believe this is transparent lace. Yeah, it's not HD. And I think I want to do a middle part. I've been given a lot of side parts lately, and I don't know what type of girl I'm becoming because I'm a middle part girl. I've always been a middle. Anyways, I'm a middle part girl. I've always been a middle part girl, and I don't understand why I'm becoming a side part girl. So I think we're gonna bring her back to reality.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your you. The makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve a good thing. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Give you good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
Okay, so I don't think I was feeling the middle part. So I think I'm gonna do a side part, and I think I'm gonna cut into a bob. Yeah, for sure. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like a curl bob or a straight bob. I think I want to do a straight bob. I think it's gonna be cute. I hope it's gonna be cute because I'm not in the mood to wear long hair right now. I think that's gonna be really cute, actually. Yeah. Where's the scissors?
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Ayy. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Insert.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, oh, baby, on your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I had to make sure that the bob was giving, so I had to go cut the rest of it in the mirror. So yeah, I gotta glue down this side, and then yeah, we're pretty much done with that bob. And I love how it came out. When I was cutting it over here, it was coming out too long. And girl. Yeah. The bob is cute. The bob is giving, I think it's giving grown woman. And I was like going back and forth about cutting this hair into a bob because I really love this unit. But okay, so now the hair is complete. We're about to move on to the makeup, you guys. I'm gonna do my edges later, if I'm even going to do them, because I don't even know if I want to do them. They're not gonna be seen anyway, so I was like, what's the point? But yeah, I'm so excited to do my makeup. I don't even know where I really want to start. I'm gonna start with primer, so I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydro primer, you guys. I love this primer. I just got this big one. As you guys can see, it's super full. I already did my skincare. I forgot how much I love this primer. I was using the Morphe primer, y'all, and I got the big one the other day. I was like, yeah, I want to do my makeup. Go pick these up while y'all can. These are the best freaking makeup wipes, and they're on sale right now. Girl, I got them for $4. Even though I think this is the travel size, it's only 10 wipes, but still. Need to go back to Sephora like tomorrow and go stack up.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you
I'm starting to run out of my Laura Mercier air, guys. I'm gonna be so sad. I gotta go re-up. And I've had this for a minute though.
Me want get a lap dance. Me now we a kill the club empty. Me love when you strip tease. Sit up if I'm sexy. Me want get a lap dance. Girl, without recital you win the final. You want to like say you don't got no spinal. You come back create some.
Yeah, that girl, but y'all knew that. That girl, but y'all already knew that. So okay, so now that the hair and makeup is now done, I'm going to go ahead and put my clothes on. I'm just wearing these leather pants that I got from Akira with this green, I forget the collab or whatever it is with H&M. I got the shirt from H&M like in May, so if it's still online I'll link it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the shirt and I'm gonna put it on, and then yeah. Okay babes, this is the finished look. This is the shirt, and I just have on some black leather pants. The scent for tonight is Burberry Touch. My mom recently just got this for me, and I like it. It don't compare to Burberry Her. Now that is my favorite scent by Burberry. Um, yeah, that's my scent. That's my girl. Y'all know that. Well, do y'all know that? I picked it up in Houston, and I literally have no more left. Okay, so yeah, but this is the scent for tonight. Y'all pick this up. It smells so good. It gives me like that little grown, sexy vibe. But yeah, this is the finished look, y'all. The bob is bobbing. It's doing what it was supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, this is so freaking cute. The only thing I wish that I had was my tennis necklace. I have two of them. Can't find them at all. And I'm upset because I think that would have completed the look. But it's okay. She's still giving what she was supposed to give. Okay, the hair and the makeup, baby, she did what she had to do. Okay, so yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.